Extra money means freedom. It means less financial stress. It can be your ticket to a better life. Many people struggle with debt. Others want to save for a dream vacation or a down payment on a house. Having a side hustle can make these goals achievable. Even a small amount of extra income can make a big difference. It can help you pay off debt faster. It can also boost your savings. Start small and watch your income grow over time. There are countless ways to make extra money. The key is to find something you enjoy and that fits your skills. Freelancing is a popular option. Offer your writing, design, or virtual assistant skills online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Selling products online is another great option. Create and sell handmade crafts on Etsy, or source products wholesale and sell them on Amazon or eBay. You can also sell information products such as ebooks or online courses. Treat your side hustle like a real business. Invest time and effort to make it successful. Start by identifying your target market. Who are you trying to reach? What are their needs and wants? Once you know your target market, tailor your products or services to meet their needs. Marketing is crucial. Use social media, content marketing, and email marketing to promote your side hustle. Network with other entrepreneurs and get your name out there. Section 4. Real-life side hustle examples. Consider Sarah, a stay-at-home mom. She always had a passion for baking, but with the responsibilities of raising her children, she never thought she could turn it into a business. One day, she decided to take a leap of faith and started selling her cakes and cookies online. She used social media to showcase her delicious creations, and soon, orders started pouring in. Her business grew quickly and she eventually opened a small bakery. Now she not only enjoys baking but also runs a successful business that supports her family. Then there's John, a college student who needed extra cash to cover his expenses. He was always good with technology and had a keen interest in video games. John decided to start a blog about video games, sharing tips, reviews, and news. He spent hours writing content and promoting his blog on various platforms. His blog became popular, attracting a large audience. With the traffic he generated, he now earns money through advertising and affiliate marketing, turning his hobby into a profitable side hustle. These are just a few examples of people who have successfully started side hustles. There are countless other stories of individuals who have turned their passions and skills into additional income streams. With hard work, dedication, and a bit of creativity, you too can find a side hustle that fits your lifestyle and helps you achieve your financial goals. The possibilities are endless. Section 5. Avoiding common pitfalls. One common mistake is not managing time effectively. Many people underestimate the importance of time management when juggling multiple responsibilities. It's crucial to allocate your time wisely to ensure that both your primary job and your side hustle receive the attention they deserve. It's easy to get caught up in your day job and neglect your side hustle. This can lead to missed opportunities and slow progress. To avoid this, create a detailed schedule that includes dedicated time slots for your side hustle activities. Set aside specific times to work on your side hustle and stick to your schedule. Consistency is key. By adhering to a routine, you can make steady progress and avoid the stress of last-minute rushes. Another pitfall is undercharging for your products or services. Many entrepreneurs, especially those just starting out, tend to undervalue their offerings. This can lead to financial strain and burnout. Research your competition and price yourself competitively. Understanding the market rates and positioning your prices accordingly can help you attract the right customers and ensure profitability. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. Confidence in your pricing reflects confidence in your product or service. Remember, your time and expertise are valuable. Finally, don't give up too easily. The journey of building a successful side hustle is filled with ups and downs. It's important to stay motivated and persistent, even when faced with challenges. Building a successful side hustle takes time and effort. It's not an overnight process, and there will be moments of doubt and frustration. However, these moments are part of the growth process. There will be challenges along the way. These obstacles are opportunities to learn and improve. Embrace them as part of your journey. But with perseverance, you can overcome them and achieve your goals. Stay focused, keep pushing forward, and celebrate your milestones along the way. Your hard work and dedication will pay off in the end. Section 6. The power of persistence. Persistence is key when it comes to side hustles. You might not see results overnight, but don't let that discourage you. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep going. The more you put into your side hustle, the more you'll get out of it. Remember your why. Why did you start this side hustle in the first place? Keep that motivation in mind when things get tough. Section 7. Take action today. Don't wait for the perfect time to start your side hustle. Often we get caught up in the idea that everything needs to be perfect before we begin. We think we need the right amount of money, the perfect plan, or the ideal circumstances. But the truth is, waiting for perfection can lead to endless delays. The perfect time is now. The perfect time is now. Embrace the present moment and take that leap of faith. Every successful journey begins with a single step. It might feel daunting, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. Take that first step today. Take that first step today. Whether it's researching your idea, creating a small prototype, or simply jotting down your thoughts, action is key. Start small if you need to. Start small if you need to. It's okay to begin with baby steps. Small actions can lead to significant changes over time. Even dedicating a few hours a week can make a difference. Even dedicating a few hours a week can make a difference. Consistency is more important than intensity. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your workload. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your workload. The journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. With hard work, dedication, and a bit of creativity, you can turn your side hustle dreams into a reality. With hard work, dedication, and a bit of creativity, you can turn your side hustle dreams into a reality. Your passion and persistence will pave the way. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today. The future is full of possibilities, and it all begins with the actions you take now. Embrace the journey, and watch your dreams come to life.